Welcome to Chloe's Crafts. This is Chloe May and I do quilling or paper filigree. If you are interested in this kind of art, join me and let's learn together. For today's artwork is Quilling Sunset Beach. I will show how I fill in the seawater. This is the part 3. If you want to watch the part 1 and 2, click the link in the description box. I used almost 2,000 paper strips for this project, and imagine rolling these papers was quite a lot. As you can see, I chose the sheep marquise for this project except for the coconut fruit and the lady's hair. In choosing the colors, I combined the shades of orange for the sky and blue for the water, from darker to lighter. Don't be afraid to combine colors or make some experiment. Without further ado, let's get started. I will bring you to the beach and let's meet the sunset. In the seawater, I use the shade of blue and I combine 8 colors. I will add stones, sand, and the lady. I need to put the darker color in this part. I try to practice the shadowing but I think I'm not ready for it. I think it looks not good so I remove them. I will practice shadowing next time. Doing quilling takes time, especially if your pattern is a little complicated. You need passion and patience to finish it. It's easy to roll and curl the strips, but it will give you a hard time if your pattern is huge, because you will work hard to roll mini strips. But I have a wonderful time doing this. I learned how to combine colors, and don't be afraid of trial and error, even if you will waste papers. because as I go along, I learn some techniques that I can apply in my next quilling project. These are the unfinished part. Thank you for watching and see you in my next quilling project.